how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. This is me, it's Haisha Online with another video. Today's video is going to be a one brand tutorial, a brand which is a Pakistani local brand and very extremely affordable. The brand is Glamorous Face Cosmetics. It is a Pakistani brand and I have been using some of their products. This video is going to be my first impressions kind of a thing where I'll be testing out their products and it will be a wear test kind of a thing. I recently got this huge PR package from Glamorous Face Cosmetics. I hope you can see this. It's a box full of their makeup. I think every item is there. सिर्फ ब्राउज के लिए कुछ भी नहीं था. So I already मैं बना के आई हूँ, अपनी eyebrows करके आई हूँ off camera. I will be starting with my eyes today because मैंने Glamorous Face की already एक palette use करती हूँ. I'm sure आप लोगों को सबको पता है the मखमली palette जिसमें matte और shimmer shades हैं. तो उस तरह की they have another one which is this one. इसमें यह है कि इसमें they have bronzers and blush-ons as well. I had a very unfortunate case with this palette when it arrived. इसके काफ़ी shadows ख़राब हो चुके थे due to I don't know due to courier service या mishandling it. तो मैंने थोड़े से जो products ख़राब हो गए थे मैंने वो fix किए हैं, टूट गए थे. So I'll show you how this looks like. This is what it looks like. It has blushers, blush-ons, 9 blush-ons in total, 2 bronzers which I'm gonna be using as my contour powder today, and they have like variety of shimmers and matte shadows. So since they haven't launched any eye primer kind of a thing, I'm using the stick concealer they have and I'm gonna use this today as my primer. I'm just building my crease. Color is all set and good to go. Shadows are quite buttery and pigmented, which is a rare combination. मतलब mostly नहीं होते इतने pigmented, but this palette has like outstands the other Pakistani palettes definitely. अगर आपको bronzers और blush-ons भी चाहिए एक palette में, then you should definitely try this out. My crease is all set. I'm taking a black color and adding that into my outer V. Blue is nicely applied in the inner lids. I'm gonna be taking some more black. I just lost my liner, guys. It was a gel liner by Glamorous Face. I can't find it now. It was so nice. I don't know if I've misplaced it somewhere या पता नहीं कहाँ रह गया. मैंने बहुत ढूंढा, मुझे मिला नहीं अब तक. So I'm just gonna apply this pencil liner now. Some glitters. This is their glitter liners. I got in the shade silver and golden, or silver golden mein they have also sent me this sparkling dust for glitters with a glitter base. Doing today this liquid one. Wow guys, this looks amazing. Amazing glitters. I mean, such affordable glitters, and the sparkle they're giving to my eyes, it's great. Okay, it definitely gives me a lot of volume to my lashes. I mean, a few coats of this mascara and they give such volume to the lashes already. Now I'm gonna move on to my eyelashes. Lashes, I'm gonna use my Ash Beauty ones, the Sassy Lash Style. Just be back with them on. Got a primer, one foundation stick and a liquid foundation. So we're gonna slowly start with the foundation. They sent me some tools, two brushes and some sponges. Also this beauty blender which I just damped. It's a very nice copy and dupe of the Real Techniques one. It's really soft. Stick, it's called the Glamorous Face Foundation Stick. This is what it looks like. It's in the shade Oriental and this shade is quite dark for me. I might use this as my corrector today. A True Colors Aqua Product Makeup Base Primer, which I checked it out to a silicone base tha, which is a very good deal for me because I have a combination skin and I usually use silicone based primers. So this is what it looks like on the usual areas. This primer is really smooth and I'm sure it's gonna blur all my pores and any kind of imperfections. So now let's move on to the foundation. Out this HD Cinema Plus TV Switch Proof Foundation, which is a long lasting one. It has SPF 15 in it. With the help of this buffing brush from Glamorous Face. Spread it on my face. This smells like a perfume, definitely. Is not doing much for me as it's small. वैसे ठीक है brush, लेकिन small है. I think I might use this for my concealer. So I'm gonna move on to my beauty blender. Foundation is definitely glowy and it has a luminosity in this, a very nice shine in it. Foundation is light to medium coverage, so I'm just gonna take some more pump of the foundation and then I'll come with the final thoughts how I feel about this foundation. For people who have a normal to dry skin, combination to dry skin people, oily skin वालों के लिए अगर उनको इतनी glowy foundation नहीं चाहिए, so if they like matte foundations, so this is not for them. This is for people who like glowy finish in their foundations. It has covered all the color corrected areas and has evened out my skin tone, which I really like. I'm not sure about this product since these products don't really work for me. जो स्टिक वाले होते हैं, I just feel के this is not gonna work for me, but still let's try. I don't feel कि इसने कोई खास work किया है मेरी skin पे. My skin looks pretty much the same like it did before. So I don't know what I feel about this for now. Let's see in a while. The Fixing Loose Powder Mineral Makeup. I'll show you how this looks like. I have two options from Glamorous Face. This is their normal face powder in the shade Soft Ivory. Their SPF, it has SPF 35. It's the perfect natural oil-free foundation, two-way cake. It's kind of a cake foundation. So I'm gonna apply this first. After that, I'm gonna set my face. Fan of pancakes, but this really mattifies the skin and पूरा का पूरा टूट गया है। ओह! Taking this shade and mixing both of these two and applying them as my contour shade today. Feel that I didn't receive any highlighting product from their range. Just apply some eyeshadow which I feel feels like a highlighter to me. Apply the same transition shade in my lower lash line now. So pigmented and it's hard. Taking this Glamorous Face ka powdery matte kiss proof lip and eyeliner pencil. I'm taking this moisture rich lipstick. Also they also sent me a liquid lipstick which I already applied, so मैं आज वो apply नहीं कर रही. I'm just using these products. The lipstick glides on really smoothly and it's such a nice rich color. I love it. Also they haven't launched और मुझे शायद नहीं मिला उनका setting spray. Setting spray के बगैर मेरा गुजारा नहीं है. My look is never complete without a setting spray. So I'm gonna use a setting spray by Wet n Wild. So guys, this is what the final look is. I love everything. I love how my whole face looks right now, especially my eyes and my face, and the lip color is so gorgeous. So I come back within 2 or 3 hours and tell you what my foundation looks और इसकी क्या long lasting power है, इसकी कितनी है और ये सारा मेकअप कैसा लगता है थोड़ी देर बाद. So I'll be just back. So I'm back. So it's वक्त रात के it's 3 AM and मैंने जो tutorial shoot किया था which was around 10 बजे. हाँ, तो I'm coming back after 5 hours and some oil going on my skin. Like इधर से थोड़ा सा oily हुआ है scene और my nose is oilier, like बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं लेकिन I can still sense some oil, feel some oil on my nose. Apart from that, I could see that a little fallout is going on there. तो mascara की वजह से हुआ है और I don't think the eyeshadows could do that. लेकिन शायद mascara की वजह से थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे black सा हल्का सा spot बन गया. I don't know why. थोड़ी सी foundation उतर गई है इन एरिया से just because मैंने glasses पहनती हूँ. I wear glasses. मेरी नज़र कमज़ोर है तो इसलिए थोड़ी सी फाउंडेशन इन एरिया से उतर गई है. लाइटर which I used वो भी आई शेडो था. It looks so glowy and nice on my skin. So toward the blush everything is nice and put and my eyes makeup is still looking very fresh. और चीज़ गाइस मैंने नोट किया है अपने आईलाइनर में कि मेरा जो आईलाइनर है थोड़ा सा पील ऑफ हो रहा है लाइक स्क्रैच की तरह. आई एम जस्ट गोना टच इट. थोड़ा सा मैं उतारूंगी तो ये खुद पील ऑफ होके उतर जाएगा. लाइक अभी तक तो ठीक है बट आई कैन सी कि ये आराम से पील ऑफ होगा. दैट वाज समथिंग विच आई एम कंसर्न्ड अबाउट. लेकिन मैं इसको 1-2 दफ़ा ट्राई करूँगी, टेस्ट करूँगी कि अगर तो हर दफ़ा ऐसे होता है मे बी आई हैव टू लाइक वर्क माई वे आउट विद दैट. आई ऑल्सो सी सम क्रीजेस ओवर हेयर विच इज़ नॉर्मल. फाउंडेशन में आ जाती हैं अक्सर क्रीजेस. ये स्माइल लाइन्स में थोड़ी थोड़ी आ गई हैं. मैंने वहाँ पे शायद सेट नहीं किया था इसलिए मुझे क्रीजेस आई हैं. देन दैट माई होल मेकअप लुक्स रियली फाइन एंड नीट. लाइक इतना एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं ना आपके लोकल ब्रांड. चीप ब्रांड मैंने काफ़ी यूज़ किया है. ग्लैमरस फेस इज़ वेरी अफोर्डेबल एंड चीप एंड इट्स अ पाकिस्तानी ब्रांड. सो उसको कीपिंग दैट इन माइंड everything looks very nice. Like it acts like just any other drugstore brand. Like, so far I have liked the foundation. कंसीलर स्टिक की मैं फ़ैन नहीं हूँ, उसका मुझे मज़ा नहीं आया, और एक जो काजल पेंसिल थी वो स्मूथ नहीं थी. तो एक दो चीज़ें हैं जो आई डिडंट रियली लाइक, लेकिन रेस्ट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स आर डूइंग रियली गुड फॉर मी. Guys, that was my review about the Glamorous Face Cosmetics. I was so excited to try them out, and I'm very satisfied with the products so far. So would I recommend you Glamorous Face की products? Yes, it's a yay for me. You should definitely try out their products and invest in it, and do let me your thoughts about it. अगर आपने कोई Glamorous Face के products आपने use किया हुआ है इन सब products में से, या इसके अलावा कोई product आपने use किया हुआ है, then do comment down below. I would love to know your thoughts about this brand as well. So if you want me to do more one brand kind of tutorials, then do let me know. मैं और भी करूँगी, and I would love to film more brands like these which are locally available in Pakistan. And yeah, that was it for today. I hope you liked this video. So I'll see you guys with the next video very soon. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care.